Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using Naturalicious Beauty's products to show you all how to wash your hair and style all in under 1 hour. We're going to be starting with step 1, which is their Moroccan clay. It is a 5-in-1 clay treatment. This clay serves as shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioner, detangler, and also a leave-in conditioner all in one. So for me, it was something I had to get used to. I had never used clay before to wash my hair. The consistency was a little different, but in the end, I actually did like how it worked. It was a little difficult to wash out, but other than that, I did like the clay. So now we're on to the next step. I'm actually using the products out of order, you all. I used some of the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter, which was step 3, to assist with detangling my hair. And I actually feel that my hair was very easy to detangle after washing with the clay, so it did work very well as a detangler. The clay can also be used as a leave-in conditioner, and I did not actually worry about using it as a leave-in. I just skipped that part and just used the oil, and that worked pretty well for me. Some of the benefits of the oil is that it locks in moisture, protects your ends from breakage, adds shine to your hair, and also works as a hot oil treatment and a sealing treatment. So I'm getting ready to section off my hair for my 2-strand twist. And for this, I'm using step 2, which is the Moisture Infusion Styling Creme. So I'm adding a pretty good amount to each section of hair. Some of the benefits of this styling cream is that it moisturizes your hair, minimizes breakage, discourages heat damage, and also adds softness to your hair, but also will hold the curl at the same time. Some of the key ingredients in this product is sunflower oil, coconut oil, shea butter, and vitamin E, which are all really good products for natural hair. So I'm just going to 2-strand my twist all the way down and continue to detangle as I twist.
If they money dirty, make it dance. 25 carats cost a mansion. Gold rose petals, I'm standing. Came from the concrete, take a chance. Pop gold ace like a Zandy. I just need the blessing from your family.
And I'm going to add a small perm rod at the end of each twist to give me a nice curl.
Roses turn to dust every night. We get more popular as long as right. When it comes to us, let's not be alone. Let's not be alone.
And I'm going to just continue these same exact steps all over my head until I'm finished. As you guys can see, I'm all done with my entire head, all in 1 hour and 24 seconds. Which is record breaking for me because it usually takes me a couple of hours to do my hair. So I let my hair dry overnight, and this is the result. So I'm removing the rods from my hair, and then we'll begin separating each 2-strand twist. And you want to separate carefully, making sure you aren't causing too much frizz in the process. I did add a little bit more of the Divine Shine Moisture Lock and Frizz Fighter oil to help me separate.
Let's be so good. Selfish, let's be selfish.
And so I'm just going to go ahead and pick out my hair. I do like big hair, so I do kind of like to pick out my hair a lot. And I also forgot to mention that Naturalicious Beauty is black owned, which is awesome. I love supporting black owned brands, so definitely check them out. So these are pretty much my finished results, you guys. Styled and washed all in under 1 hour. Washed in really 10 minutes using Naturalicious Beauty hair care system. Thank you guys so much for watching, and the link will be below to Naturalicious Beauty website so you guys can check out their products.